welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm looking at the Ferrari Collection Magazine number 36. This is the, I think it's F2004 Michael Schumacher car. We do have a 143 scale car. Also, I do have the collection of the Formula One car collection, and magazine 36 for that particular collection is also the same car, but a different driver. And I will show that off on a separate video, but there it is there, number 2, Barrichello. So number 1, Michael Schumacher. So same car, different number, but the same magazine, number 36. Ironic, on purpose, don't know, maybe. Either way, I'm going to have a quick look at this. We'll put the car aside for now, go through the magazine very briefly, have a look at the car in the detail at the end, and thank you very much for watching. All right, inside this issue is the competition model. So it's the 250 TR Nart from 1958. TR being Testarossa? Yeah. Single seater in this particular one is the 2004 F2004, which is what I was talking about. Production model is the 340 America, and the poster in this particular one is of the dominance of the racetrack of the F2004. All right, so I'm not going to read everything in detail, but you can actually go and pause the video and take a look at that. The 1958 250 Testarossa, the white and blue livery, and the Nart North American Racing Team. Cars representing the outfit founded by Luigi Chinetti, I think it is, became the iconic presence on racetracks. I think we do have one in this collection of the blue and white. Engine is a front longitudinal 60-degree V12, just under 3 litres, 300 brake horsepower at 8,000 RPM, 270 km/h or 168 mph maximum speed. Weighs 750 kilograms. Wow, that's pretty lightweight. Winning the classic French race, so Sebring 12-hour first and second, Nürburgring 1000 second and third, and the TUS Trophy third in 1959. Very good. Moving on, 15 Grand Prix wins in a season. Improved weight distribution and the use of new Japanese tyres were just 2 aspects of the F2004 that made a supreme winning machine. Yes, very nice. The first win for Rubens Barrichello and the 13th of the season for the Ferrari team, the 2004 Italian Grand Prix held in Monza circuit. So there's number 2. Number 2 being the car for the other magazine, I believe. Greatest Ferraris. The engine, a 10-cylinder of the F2004, displaced most of 3 litres, maximum allowed by F1 regulations, with a double overhead camshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, and Magneti Marelli, I think that digital in electronic injection. I don't even know how to pronounce that. It's actually quite hard to read too. It developed 850 horsepower at 18,000 RPM. Its strength and reliability combined with a more than adequate level of overall performance. It's actually very difficult to see that text on what is a drawing underneath. All right. Here we go. Got the number 1 Michael Schumacher vehicle there. On this side again, number 1. Engine is a rear longitudinal 90-degree V10, 2.977, so just under that 3 litre. 850 brake horsepower we were already mentioning. 600 kilograms with driver, water and oil. Right, they didn't say how many or what the top speed was for this, but they're only made in 2004. Record-breaking year. So between Michael Schumacher and Rubens Barrichello, excuse me. So Australia first, second, Malaysia first for Michael, Bahrain first, second, San Marino first for Michael, Spanish first, second, Monaco third for Barrichello, European first, second, Canadian first, second, US first, second, French GP first and third for Michael and Barrichello, British first, third, German first for Michael, Hungarian first and second, Belgian second and third, Italian first and second, Chinese first for Barrichello, Japanese first for Michael, and Brazilian third for Barrichello. Wow, what an impressive year that was for Ferrari. Well done. Right, moving on, the Berlinetta with sports capabilities. So the 340 America, I think we showed off that car not long ago in the magazines. Go back through my playlist, you should be able to see it. Turin Coach Builder. Carazzoni Gear made bodies, for four examples of the 340 America, which as seen here featured a fastback tail, characteristics of the door line cut close to the rear wing. The bulge of the wing extended into the side doors gives the car a dynamic look. Okay. It's a front longitudinal 60-degree V12, 4.101.66 cc, so 4.1 litre. Between 220 and 230 brake horsepower, 6,000 RPM. 900 kilograms in weight. That's a very lightweight car too. 240 kilometers per hour or 149 mile per hour top speed. And this is 1951. Very nice. Coming up in part 37, your 456M GT. Very good. I'll have a look at that when it comes to it. Let's take a closer look at this car. Got your Vodafone sponsorship and a bunch of others down the side there. See if we can get that with enough light. It goes around the corner there. The AMD and V-Power on the back. Very good. You will notice there's no Marlboro on this, even though that was on the magazine there. This being classified as a toy, I'm not allowed to have that. It does look very dusty though. I may not have dusted it, so what I'll do is get my little makeup brush and try not to take off one of those antennas in the front. There we go. Very nice. Seat belts are painted in there. Yep, so these particular models don't have drivers, and I can't get that to light up, so there we go. I'll put this on the turntable so you can have a closer look, and I just knocked the mirror off. Well, that's a bit of a pain. I'll repair that, then I'll put it on the turntable. Thank you very much for watching. A like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.